my dear students, welcome to Students Reference Channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and click the bell icon to get notifications for the upcoming videos. And now we are going to discuss about 2017 Set B IGKO question paper for Class 1 students. General awareness. 1. Which of the following help us to smell? The options are skin, ear, nose, eye. The answer is C, nose. 2. Who among the following is not a tennis player? The options are Lionel Messi, Andy Murray, Roger Federer, Rafael Nadal. The answer is A, Lionel Messi. He is a football player. 3. Fill in the blank with the help of the picture. This is the given picture. Rahul is dash. The options are angry, sad, winking, crying. The answer is C, winking. 4. Look at the picture. What is the baby of this animal called? This is the given picture. The options are fawn, calf, pup, foal. The answer is B, calf. 5. Who among the following uses the tools shown in the picture? Look at the picture carefully. The options are electrician, tailor, carpenter, car mechanic. The answer is C, carpenter. 6. Which of the following is the national fruit of India? The options are mango, apple, guava, watermelon. The answer is A, mango. 7. Who worship in a church? The options are Christians, Hindus, Muslims, Sikhs. The answer is A, Christians. 8. Which of these animals is not a wild animal? You look at the given pictures carefully. The answer is C, horse. 9. The monument shown in the picture is located in Hyderabad. Identify it. This is the given picture. The options are Hawa Mahal, Charminar, Gateway of India, Golconda Fort. The answer is B, Charminar. 10. Identify the actor shown in the picture who played the role of Neerja in the movie Neerja. This is the given picture. The answer is B, Sonam Kapoor. 11. What is the color of the middle strip in our national flag? The options are green, saffron, brown, white. The answer is D, white. 12. Select the odd one out. Look at the given pictures. The first one is refrigerator, AC, bread toaster, telephone. The answer is D, telephone. Except telephone, the other three use electricity. 13. Which of these goes with the word bride to make a word pair? The options are friend, mother, sister, groom. The answer is D, groom. 14. Who among the following is a former player of Indian cricket team? You look at the given options. The answer is A. Anil Kumble. 15. Choose the correct homophone pair. Homophone means words with same sound and different spellings. The options are birth, birth, far, for, when, what, see, seen. The answer is A. Birth, birth. 16. 3 tens plus 7 ones is equal to dash. The options are 73, 57, 37, 33. The answer is C. 37. 17. A computer mouse is used for dash. The options are drawing pictures, playing games, selecting items, all of these. The answer is D. All of these. 18. Which of the following birds is the house sparrow? Look at the given pictures. The answer is A. 19. Dash is the fourth from the right end. This is our right end. Fourth one. First, second, third, fourth. So, table is the fourth one. So, the answer is B. Table. 20. With which part of computer the tail of mouse is attached? CPU, monitor, printer, keyboard. The answer is A. CPU. Current affairs. 21. Who is the current president of India? The options are Rajnath Singh, Narendra Modi, Ramnath Kovind, none of these. The answer is C. Ramnath Kovind. 22. Who was the winner of ICC Champions Trophy 2017? The options are India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Australia. The answer is B. Pakistan. 23. Which of the following films won the Best Hindi Feature Film Award at National Film Awards 2017? The options are Dangal, Sultan, Neerja, Rastam. The answer is C. Neerja. 24. Who is the current Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh? Look at the given options. The answer is A. Yogi Adityanath. 25. What is Bahubali's mother's name in the movie Bahubali 2 The Conclusion? Look at the given picture. The options are Devasena, Avantika, Sivagami, none of these. The options are Devasena, Avantika, Sivagami, none of these. The answer is C. Sivagami. Life skills. 26. Select the action which is not safe. Look at the given pictures. The answer is C. 27. If your friend gives you a birthday gift, you should say dash. Thank you, sorry, please, fine. The answer is A. Thank you. 28. Which of the following is a good habit? The options are cheating in exams, not paying attention in the class, sharing lunch with friends, fighting with your sister. The answer is C. Sharing lunch with your friends. 29. If one of your classmates hits you, then which is the best option? The options are hit him back, start crying, run away, inform your teacher. The answer is D. Inform your teacher. 30. When guests visit your home, then you should dash. Never greet them. Keep running and jumping around. Help your mother to serve them. Ignore them. The answer is C. Help your mother to serve them. Achievers section 31. Match the columns and select the correct option. In column 1, vegetable pictures are given, and in column 2, vegetable names are given. And the first one is bell pepper. A is connected to 2. Now we are going to check the options. A2. In A3 is given. So A is not the answer. And in B, A2 is given. So this may be the answer. And in C, A1 is given. So this is not the answer. And in D, A4 is given. So this is not the answer. So the answer is B. The remaining are B, beetroot, connected to 1, and C, better God, connected to 4, and D, snake god, connect to 3. 32. Read the passage and select the words to fill in the blanks. Das is a robotic cat who travels back in time from 22nd century to help a small boy named Dash. Its creator comes from Dash. We look at the given options. The answer is C. Doraemon, Nobita, Japan. 33. Which of the following words is given in the word grid? The options are ball, over, run, bat. And in this word grid, the word over is given. So, the answer is B, over. 34. On the banks of which river is Agra city located? The options are Ganga, Yamuna, Narmada, Tapti. The answer is B, Yamuna. 35. Rearrange the letters to make a meaningful word. This is the given letters. If we rearrange this, we get the word basket. So the answer is C, basket. So my dear students, today we have discussed 2017 Set B IGKO question paper for class 1 students. If you like this video, please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.